Hi everyone, welcome back to How to Fix Online. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix volume on your iPhone. If your iPhone is not ringing or if your iPhone speaker has stopped working, whenever playing any kind of a music or a video on your iPhone, you are not being able to hear a sound, then this video is for you. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. The first thing to do is to check your silent button if it's turned on your iPhone or not. If you've enabled silent mode on your iPhone, you won't be able to listen to your ringing volume. Make sure that you've disabled the silent mode. Now, check if it fixed your issue or not. If it did, then that's great. If it did not, the next thing to do is to restart your iPhone to make your sound work. Restart your iPhone by going to your settings button. From the settings button, scroll down to general and tap it on. From the general menu, scroll all the way down and tap on shutdown in order to turn off your iPhone. Turn it on back again and try playing a video or a music to see if your volume is back on your iPhone. If it still does not work, check if you've enabled Bluetooth on your iPhone. Go to settings and once you open up your settings, check if you are connected to a Bluetooth. Tap on the Bluetooth button and disable your Bluetooth option by tapping on the toggle button right next to Bluetooth. If your mobile device is paired with a Bluetooth that is nearby, you won't be able to hear the sound without this Bluetooth device, so it might be one of the main causes why you are not being able to hear sound on your iPhone. Once you turn off your Bluetooth, you might be able to solve your issue. If nothing else works out, try updating your iOS to get your sound back. Sometimes, if your software is not up to date, you might be walking through this kind of an issue. So in order to do that, tap open settings from your iPhone and from the settings menu, scroll down and tap on general. From the general tab, tap on software update at the top. Check for available updates on your iOS, and if it is available, try updating your software to the latest version. Those were some of the fixes you could try out if you'd like to fix volume on your iPhone when it's not working. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.